Imagine the possibility of shedding weight effortlessly with a single drink. It might sound implausible, but this concoction is incredibly simple to prepare and has demonstrated quick results with consistent consumption. By merely indulging in a nightly glass of this elixir, you'll witness a reduction in fat levels, particularly around the belly. Couple this with 30 minutes of morning cardio, and noticeable improvements will manifest in just a few days. During sleep, the body tends to accumulate fat at a slower rate. This drink's components expedite material breakdown, ensuring continuous fat burning while you rest. The magic lies in the metabolism-boosting properties of the ingredients, allowing your body to efficiently process substances when consumed before bedtime. Cucumbers, known for their fat-fighting prowess, play a pivotal role in weight loss. With a mere 45 calories per cucumber, they're rich in fiber and water, essential elements for fat combustion. Additionally, their refreshing taste enhances the overall appeal of this beverage. Low in calories but abundant in antioxidants, parsley and cilantro aid in reducing stored water, contributing to a flatter abdomen. Ginger steps in to accelerate material breakdown and combat constipation, potent allies against undesirable belly fat. Lemon juice, a natural detoxifier, effectively eliminates accumulated toxins, promoting fat loss and overall well-being. Aloe vera juice, renowned for its antioxidant properties, combats free radicals, curbing inflammation and bloating. It also enhances material breakdown, potentially reducing your body mass index. This rejuvenating drink, consumed before bedtime, promises a lighter and more energetic morning. Gather these easily attainable ingredients from your local grocery store and whip up this weight loss elixir effortlessly. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of cilantro or parsley, a half glass of water. Preparation: combine the ingredients, blend thoroughly, and savor a glass of this concoction before retiring for the night. If you find this information helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends.